Well, there goes the power. Well, maybe just for an instant though. Now it's back on. Hopefully we haven't lost my computer or anything. Hopefully my antennas haven't blown off the roof. The windows are getting pretty well trashed here too. What a lovely day in the desert. Yeah, it's even dust coming through these windows. I think we're out of power for a while. How long? Probably not until after this dust storm blows through. There hasn't any rain yet, but they did predict thunder showers and this stuff. Laptop's still running. These are some audacious winds. I guess I should have gotten Mark's weather station up there so we could see just how fast these winds are. Come again. Power's trying to come back on. So if you go back, it doesn't look quite as bad, I guess. Oh, right. Sure it doesn't. On the leeward side of the winds. Look at those trees. So this is what happens when there's a dust storm. I just swept this a couple hours ago. And look how much dust has come in here. And I've got the little crack seal so that not much can get in. Clearly I'm going to have to get new windows for this place. Oh, everything is covered with dust. Maybe all that trash out there will blow away. Probably not.